Good evening, everybody. Tonight, a new episode of Average French Dad Can Cook Dinner. Tonight, we'll do a classic of the French cuisine, a quiche. A quiche is a kind of meat and cheese pie that you can serve with a salad and a vinaigrette. To do it, very simple ingredients. Sometimes, from my garden, a little bit, half a liter of milk, 5 eggs, some cream, 300 grams of cheese, 400 grams of bacon in small cubes, a little bit of salt and pepper, a pre-made dough, this one is an organic one, and some kitchen tool like fork, knife, pie dish, something to dry your bacon when you will cook. And then the first things to do before starting is to preheat the oven. I put on 200 degrees, I preheat for 10 minutes, and I put a rotating heat. That's perfect. So to start with, we have to cook the bacon. To cook the bacon, very simple again. We have here saucepan. We preheat it. While the saucepan is preheating for the bacon, what we can do is to prepare the dough in the pie dish. So this dough is an organic one and it's coming with the pepper to avoid the dough to stick on the pie dish. I always recommend you to use this kind of pepper. So here, very simple, you unfold like that, and then you apply in the corner and unfold very well the dough. Very basic. So make sure that the dough is covering very well the side of the pie dish, because the pie at the end, it's something a little bit thick, few centimeters, a little bit generous, so make sure that the dough is covering the side. It will be nicer and avoid to have some pies over the dish. So you take your fork and you make small hole like that inside the dough to avoid to have too much air blocked or stuck under the dough, and then you have a risk when it's cooking to make big bubbles. So make some hole like that, especially in the corner. Very good. Prepare the base for the quiche. So you take your half liter of milk, and then you will incorporate inside the 5 eggs. So you put the white and the yellow of the egg. Et voilà. Rinse my finger. Torchon. Then you start to mix. Mix, 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 mix. Everything should be well mixed. No more yellow or white stain. Everything should be very well mixed. Voilà. You add a little bit of pepper. Voilà. Then you mix again. and you incorporate the cream. I always put a bit of salt. So you see here there is white, we can see the cream, there is white stain. It's very important that the mix is very homogeneous at the end, so should be light yellow, so it's important to well mix. As you can see now, it's very homogeneous, no more white stain, light color, very fluid. So my base is ready. Now the saucepan is hot. I will put the small cubes of bacon inside to cook them. To cook the bacon, it will take between 5 to 10 minutes according to the heat and the power of your cooking herb. So you see the bacon are not too cooked. They have to be cooked anyway, but not too much crunchy. They have to stay tender and juicy. Otherwise it will be not good. Now I take the time and I put on the dough some small leaf of this thyme. So don't put the branch like that, it's not good. Just try to put only the small leaf and put them all around like that. So no worries, when you will put the base for the quiche, then they will float. They will all the small leaf will not stay in the bottom of the quiche. They will float, but avoid to put the branch. It's not very good. So you see a little bit like that. Et voilà. It will give a very nice smell and taste to your quiche. The bacon is ready, cooked. You see this nice brownish color, not too brownish, a little bit pink, still juicy and very tender, but well cooked. So I stop it and I will remove the fat because you want only to have the meat, no fat. Voila. So you dry them. Voila. And then you put them inside the, on the dough. and you spread them, you distribute them very well to have something homogeneous. Voila. Very nice. Very, very nice. You put a bit of cheese already. Voila. Then you mix a bit your base and you pour slowly the base over the meat and the cheese. Et voila. Looks very nice. So I distribute. Yes, I have to fix this. Voila. Then I put back some cheese on the top. Et voila. Then you see, very simple, ready for cooking. I open the oven. I take my torchon to not burn my fingers, and I will place the quiche inside the oven. Voila. And now, so 200 degrees, and you put that for at least 20 minutes. It's ringing, it means that the quiche is cooked. So I use my torchon to remove the pie dish without burning my fingers. Oh, look at that, how beautiful is that? Up. Oh. So the quiche is cooked. Close the oven, stop it. So to check that your quiche is very well cooked, look at this very golden color, a little bit brownish. Looks very good, and the smell is fantastic. So you take a knife and you pick, and you see my knife is coming out almost very clean. That means that inside it's cooked. So my recommendation is let it cool down. It's always better not too hot, but nicely warm. Prepare a salad on the side with a nice vinaigrette. A nice slice of that with salad is very nice for a dinner. As usual, try to do it yourself. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Give me your feedback on how it was to cook it. Was it easy? Did you achieve something great? Does your family enjoy it? And as usual, bon appétit. See you soon.